Good afternoon. As on your screen is a Falcon 9 taking the Starlink 6-24 mission. This mission will land over on a shortfall gravitas. This vehicle previously supported Axiom 2 Elucid mission in the Starlink 6-11, and it's now supporting Starlink 6-24. This is booster 1080-4. It's a new booster in the Falcon fleet. This booster will land for the 4th time if everything goes well. I'm your host from Extra Space. We have lots of advancements today. Number one, we will be starting our streams 10 minutes before the launch, so we have longer time to talk about what the mission profile is and what's going on. I'll have more time to explain what's going to be happening. So, great. What's going to be happening in this mission is Falcon 9 will take 23 Starlink V2 minis. This will be the most Falcon 9 takes, which is over 16 tons, and it'll be the most. This will be a record-breaking launch for Falcon 9, not for Falcon Heavy. Falcon Heavy takes way more than Falcon 9, but for a singular Falcon 9 rocket, this is a lot for it. So there's a lot of delayed stuff in it. MECO's going to be delayed, the entry burn's going to be decreased, and the entry burn startup time will be a little bit earlier. A lot of things are going to be different in this flight, just by a few seconds. This vehicle will take these 23 satellites and deploy them 1 hour after launch. Now, with some advancements, I can turn the screen black and switch over to a different camera from NSF's stream. Like that one. Or, right down here, it shows the VAB for NASA's vehicle assembly building, and another to show, which is this camera that shows Falcon 9 launches shooting from the air. This channel will be starting to advance forward. Now, if I do need to show y'all some interesting stuff is happening, I will do that. For T-minus 4 minutes.
Ground factory check has started.
And you hear the cops. We're strong back rechecked. Can we get a live view of the vehicle? There's the SpaceX stream. They seem like they're go for launch. I keep my screen black for no. A little bit longer. Starlink. This would be the most
Stage
Falcon.
1 lock load complete.
Falcon. This would be the most Falcon 9 Block 5 could take. This is the most that it took in a while. It would be a first. And you can see live views of the crew tower. Right there.
Stage 2 lock load complete.
And stage 2 lock load is complete.
Ground gas close up.
Thanks to NSF for bringing these live views. And T-minus 1. Vehicles are now stuck up.
Falcon 9 start up.
Let's sit back and watch Falcon 9 take to the skies.
Launch record, go for launch.
Okay, launch record gave final go for launch and we'll go for launch. T-minus 35 seconds. 30. 25. 20. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. 2, and liftoff. Starlink 6-24. Go Starlink. Go Falcon 9.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Vehicles not pitching downrange. Falcon 9 takes to the skies. There's some live views.
Nominal power and telemetry.
Nominal power and telemetry.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Falcon 9 is supersonic. About after we get the clouds of supersonic, after 5 seconds of that, we'll get the cloud from max Q.
Max Q.
Max Q. And you can see that shot cone of the vehicle as it passes through the max Q. Beautiful views. The vehicle's in the controlled state. We're getting ready for the MECO, menu cutoff, stage separation, and in-back ignition, and carriage separation. And the vehicle, first stage, will head back to shortfall gravitas. And the integration. You can now count how many engines there are on Falcon 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then in the center, 9. That's what gives its name. Falcon 9 was based off of the engines, which were 9 engines. Falcon 9 was based off of the Falcon from Star Wars. We're about the maximum 30 seconds away from these events I called out. You can see, oh wow, a beautiful bluish color. Engine cut off. Stage separation.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition. First stage goes back.
And back ignition.
Second stage is going to carry this 16.5 ton payload, 23 Starlink V2 minis, into orbit. This would be a lot for Falcon 9 second stage. It would be the maximum ever it held.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Fairing separation confirmed. You can see a beautiful jellyfish. Let's kick in with SpaceX's feed. About 1 minute from now, I'll kick in the SpaceX's feed and get a live view from SpaceX's feed.
Both vehicles are on a nominal trajectory.
We're going to be in the coverage, tracking with the second stage about 5 seconds. SpaceX's feed.
Both vehicles continue to follow a nominal trajectory.
They keep following a nominal trajectory. There. This is my views. See on the second stage, it keeps burning as it gets into orbit. We'll get the call out for SECO after landing. Here comes entry burn at about 10 seconds.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
Entry burn startup. If anything goes wrong with the vehicle, the FTS would immediately destroy the vehicle.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Shutdown.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
FTS is
Both stages following a nominal trajectory.
They're both following nominal trajectories. Stage 1 is getting ready for landing in about 1 minute from now. You can see some fuzziness on the camera. That's usual as it's passing through thick parts of the vehicle. We should get the callouts for transonic on the vehicle. Just some live views of the trajectory. In about 10 seconds, we should get the callout for transonic.
Stage 1 is transonic.
Stage 1 is transonic. It's almost transonic means the vehicle is almost supersonic, but it's not that quite. And you can see a live view of the drone ship, a shortfall gravitas. You can see that little speck of dot from the last stream from this video. We saw that from last time. It's normal. The vehicle should be relighting in about 10 seconds.
Stage 1 landing burn start.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Landing burn has started. Landing light should be deploying in 10 seconds. You hear that landing?
Stage 1 landing leg deployed.
You can see HD and touchdown. Vehicle has touched down.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And I'll wrap it up for my coverage. For today.
MVAC shutdown.
And we got the cops for MVAC shutdown. See your SpaceX coverage. Let's get a good view of the launch pad as I close out. Thanks for watching, y'all, and goodbye.